Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add security questions to your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner and now select profile settings. Now here you guys can see this option right here called security questions. Now you just need to select its update button. Here the security question number 1. Now select this scroll down icon and choose one of these options which is given to you. Let's say we are choosing what was the name of your first school. Now select it and here write down the answer of it. And now you guys can also select question number 2. Now again select its scroll down icon and select one of these options. Now this time select another question from the first one. So let's say who was your first roommate, and now you just need to select on this save button. So after selecting two questions and write down their answers, you just need to select on this save button right here, and then you guys have successfully edited security questions to your PayPal account. So whenever you get forgot your password, you can log into your account by answering these security questions. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.